Hello everyone, myself Michael Ravina, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The subject is CS 3492 Database Management Systems. The unit is Database Design. The topic is Boyce Code Normal Form. The Boyce Code Normal Form is the advanced version of third normal form. It is stricter than the third normal form. A table is in Boyce Code normal form if every functional dependency x to y extends to y, x is a super key of the table. For Boyce Code normal form, the table should be in the 3NF, that means third normal form, and for every functional dependency LHS is the super key. For example, let's assume there is a company where the employee is working in more than one department. Then the employee table becomes employee ID, employee country, employee department, department type, employee department number. Here the employee ID 264 and 364s are present, but the employee ID those employee have the employee ID 264 belonging to the several departments, that means designing department as well as the testing department. At the same time, and those employee belongs to 364 employee ID that also has the two departments. First one is the stores, then second one is the developing. So this is the major problem in this table, because this table is not in the Boyce Code normal form. So we have to convert it into another format. In the above functional dependencies are employee ID depends on employee country, that means employee country depends on the employee ID, as well as employee department is depended by the department type as well as employee department number. So the candidate key becomes employee ID comma employee department. The table is not in the Boyce Code normal form. So because neither employee department nor the employee ID alone the keys. So to convert this table into Boyce Code normal form, we decompose it into three tables. The first table is the employee country table. The employee country table contains only two columns, that one is the employee ID and as well as the employee country. Then the second table becomes employee department table. In this department table contains the employee department, department type, employee department, only about the department information. Then the third table becomes employee department mapping. Here the employee ID as well as the employee department is present. Based on the employee ID, the department, those department contains the particular ID, the particular ID contains which department. Then this department refer this department ID from the employee department table. I have to identify the particular department, particular employee's department. This is the functional dependencies in the table. For the candidates, we consider about candidate key. For the first table, employee ID is a candidate key. For the second table, employee department is the candidate key. For the third table, employee ID comma employee department is the candidate key. Now this is in the Boyce Code normal form, because left side part of both functional dependencies is a key. This is the general format for the Boyce Code normal form. Thus we have to convert any one table is in first we check the table is in Boyce Code normal form. If it is not, means then this convert into this way.